Chris, do it again for the vlog.
Put my money on casino.
So, my car is in the car show. I'll throw up the flyer right here. It's literally the next day, the moment that I'm recording this vlog. So it's on April 2nd, and right now it's April 1st. I was running into some issues prepping for this car show, because you know how it be prepping for any events you want to take your car to. Something always happens. So this is what happened. I tried to install some studs, extended studs, and 3/4 inch spacers a while back, way while back, so I can get my fitment to look better, because I didn't think that I was going to get new wheels so soon. I did that, and then that was a nightmare with Hondo, and the day that I got my new wheels installed, it was a major issue. What ended up happening is I gave the car to my boy Christian, aka Melanies, and this is what ended up happening.
My car, my freaking cousin's car is like never had an issue like
The stud melted onto the lug and it broke off. Poor Christian. He broke his tools. So what I did then is I took my car to Vex Motorsports. Shout out to Vex again, and Jay and all the other guys. Shout out to all of them. I took it to the last minute because I was supposed to get my fenders rolled with them that day, and shout out to the rub doctor. Since my car was already going to be there, I hit him up and I was like, hey bro, is it okay if you guys can do a stud job on my car before the car show? And they said cool. They did it, and they got it in time, and here we are now. We're going to paint correct the car. So wash, decon, clay bar, all that good stuff. It's only going to be a one-stage paint correction, even though I want to do a 2, because this paint really needs it. Even though I want to do a 2 or 3, there's no time to do a 3-stage paint correction because of this. That happened. I'll see y'all when I get to the Bucket Boys detailing shop, and we'll go from there. We have a killer on the loose. What's up? Let me interrupt real quick. I forgot to mention that right before the car show, literally the morning of, a caliper bolt decided to back out on me. And shout out to my boy David, 650_David. But yeah, shout out to my dog David for helping me out, because a caliper bolt backed out on me, bro. It was bad. But thankfully I had an extra caliper bolt in my storage so I could fix it. But yes, we are good. Now back to the video.
Hi friends. Do I look like a mess right now? I look like a mess right now.
I'm pretty sure we all do right now.
You made it! Your hair looks like...
I had no time.
Heck, babe, there's some gel right there.
Yeah, ask Carlos. Carlos brought you.
Big old. Hey Carlos, what'd you say? Say that again for the vlog.
We make sure our cars are ready before we are. And I need everyone to know, if you're behind me and we're going up that incline at the garage, leave a lot of space for me because I'm still new to this.
Hey, say what's up to the vlog.
Hey, what's up, vlog?
This is my gay ass brother.
Yo, it's alright.
Is it a neutral? Not a V8 though. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. That's cute. Hey, this makes 600. How much? Off the hood. I know, I got a turbo in it. And a 2JZ.
1.5.
1.5. Oh.
Hey, look. He polished the turbo too. Freaking. He polished the turbo.
Gotta make it look good.
Gotta make it look pristine. Why is this moving so much? Driver's meeting. Bring it in. Yo, driver's meeting.
David. Should I go?
Yeah.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
David can catch up, babe.
We getting snacks for the show because we're gonna be there.
You
all
are the
day.
snack.
Hector. Cut it before we get in trouble. Start loading up.
That first day. You didn't get water, babe? You didn't get water?
I got thermal.
Did you fill it up?
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah, put one case for now.
Yeah, and then we save the other.
Hey, Carlos.
Hi, buddy.
Ooh. Huh? I know. It's good though. I told you, cuz it's rubbing. It's not rubbing.
Wait, he told you before he got his fence.
That's all. Oh, what the fuck? I told you.
I put my money on casino.